Ticket prices for Beanie's Grand Beanieverse Concert. Ito ay article ng Rappler.net. The P-pop girl group will perform its highly anticipated Araneta Coliseum concert on November 16 and 17. Tickets will go on sale starting August 29. So malapit na yung ticket selling nila. Hey! Yun yung sabi sa article. Hey! Nangyari sa sound effects ko. Okay. Are you ready, Blooms? ABS-CBN Star Music released the ticket prices and selling dates for Beanie's highly anticipated Grand Beanieverse concert on Sunday, August 11. Beanie will hold the concert on November 16 and 17 at the Araneta Coliseum. So mamaya na natin sige, sabihin na natin yung price, okay? The tickets are priced as follows. Unahin muna natin sa pinakamababa hanggang pinakamataas, okay? General admission 1,387. Upper box 2,658. Lower box 5,230. Patron B is 7,364. Patron A or Patron A is 9,499. And VIP standing is 11,195. So kung tutusin, medyo kahawig niya yung prices from K-pop and international concerts na ginaganap dito sa Pilipinas. Pero ang pinakamalupit mga kaibigan, VIP and Patron ticket holders can also avail of a soundcheck access upgrade for an additional 1,387. Ang taas na nung presyo. So yung VIP, hindi pa feeling VIP yun. Kailangan mo magdagdag ng presyo. Tickets will go on sale starting with a pre-sale for 88 fans with the Beanie One on August 29. So ang una makaka-avail ay yung mga nag-avail ng Beanie One na overpriced and low quality daw. Daw. Tandaan, walang kinalaman ng Beanie dito. Ito ay management. Followed by a Beanie website member pre-sale on August 30. So, lahat ng naka-member sa Beanie website ay may access next day after nung August 29 na para sa mga may Beanie Wand. So, August 30 yun. Next, August 29 yung may Beanie One muna. Next is yung lahat ng members ng website. And sa August 31 ay sa lahat na. Open na siya sa kung saan-saan. Star Music has yet to release the seat map for the Grand Beanieverse concert. However, the agency teased that there will be perks for VIP, Patron, and lower box ticket holders. So, may perks ang mga VIP, Patron at lower box ticket holders, sabi ng Star Music. Beanie moves the concert from the initial October 4 date as fans worried about the group's health due to its loaded schedule after its rise to fame with Pantropico and Salamin Salamin. The Grand Beanieverse show will fall. Sorry. Ano nangyari sa ano ko? Kape naman yung ininom ko, ba't naninigas yung ano ko? The Grand Beanieverse shows will fall on the day that Beanie will mark 1 year since it released Pantropico. So medyo mahalagang araw din yon para sa Beanie members and sa Blooms. Dubbed as the Nation's Girl Group Beanie made its official debut on June 2021. They are composed of Joanna, Maloy, Stacy, Aya, Colette, Gwen, Mika, and Sheena, and that is in random order. Bakit? The group is also known for its songs Na Na Na, I Feel Good, Lagi, Huwag Muna Tayong Umuwi, Carrera, and Cherry on Top. Beanie recently performed in Los Angeles as part of KCON LA 2024, becoming the first P-pop act to be part of the K-pop Music Festival. The group also recently finished the Vancouver and Edmonton stops of the Beanieverse tour in Canada. The group is set to visit on Winnipeg on August 16 and 17. So yun yung full article. So mabalik tayo sa price, mga kaibigan. May ilang nagre-reklamo sa price. Unang-una dahil nga doon sa soundcheck access na for additional. But may additional pa, di ba? Hindi ba pwedeng isama na yon para sa mga VIP standing? Yun, di ba? For me, kahit sa VIP standing, sana ilibre na nila. At bawasan din yung fee ng kalahati para doon sa ibang ano yung tawag dyan? Ano tawag doon sa ticket pricing? Yung sa tier ng price, sa ibang tier. So sa VIP standing, sana kasama na yung sound check. Kasi ganun yung sa K-pop. Ganun yung sa K-pop, promise. Yung mga naka-VIP, nakakaano sila ng sound check. Pero dito, lahat. Actually, hindi kasama yung sound check sa VIP, ba't ganun? And sinasabi nila dito na medyo pang K-pop nga yung presyo. Pero kaya ganun yung presyo ng K-pop daw is dahil yung mga tawag dito? Ano tawag doon sa transportation? Logistics, yon. Kasi syempre, yung mga staff ng K-pop ng mga international artist, kasama yan sa babayaran ng plane ticket. Tapos yung mga gamit pa, hindi, actually yung gamit, skip na natin. Kahit yung logistics lang yung ano naman nandito lang naman daw sa Pilipinas. So ba't ganun ka maling presyo? Pero sinasabi naman ng ibang tao na deserve naman ng BINI yung ganung presyuhan dahil sa kasikat na nila. So yun. Pero doon ako may reklamo But may additional pang 1,387 yung sound check. Diyos ko naman. So ano masasabi niyo sa pricing ng Biniverse? Comment down below.